Let's see how to reconnect the Daphne Wi-Fi to the home network using an Android phone. In the event of a router replacement, usually due to changing your internet provider, you need to restore the device's connection to the new Wi-Fi network through the configuration procedure. On the Daphne Wi-Fi, press and hold the set and hand buttons simultaneously until the display shows ConfNet and the Wi-Fi icon starts flashing. Wait until the Wi-Fi icon becomes solid. In the Klimavemmer app, press the plus button on the building page and select an icon to help identify the room where the smart thermostat is installed. Select the Daphne model from the list provided. Now follow the guided steps displayed throughout the configuration process. Press the next button. Press Search Networks. In your phone's Wi-Fi settings, search for and select the IWM network to connect to the smart thermostat. The phone icon will light up on the Daphne Wi-Fi display. Return to the Klimavemmer app and press Next. If your smartphone shows a warning that the selected network has no internet access, confirm that you wish to stay connected. Now search for and select the new Wi-Fi network that the smart thermostat will use. Enter the correct password, making sure to carefully type every character. Ensure that the phone icon remains lit on the Daphne Wi-Fi display, then press Next. The PRG icon will appear on the Daphne Wi-Fi display, confirming data exchange between the phone and the smart thermostat. A pop-up will appear in the app stating that the thermostat is already in the list of devices. The Daphne Wi-Fi will automatically restart, and at the end of the process, the display will show the Wi-Fi icon lit and the updated time. You can now once again control the Daphne Wi-Fi remotely using the app.